Have you ever seen this type of form on the websites? This is the contact form. It is a small part of a website but has a huge significance. Let's understand how. The contact form helps to increase the users and website engagement. It makes it easy for users to reach out to you with questions, comments, or feedback, allowing you to respond promptly. Numerous advantages include customer satisfaction, increased sales, and a competitive edge over rivals. The contact form is not only a contact form but it is also used to generate leads. Lead generation is understood to be a crucial thing in the modern time. Do you know how to add the contact form to your website? Let's learn so. This is the Contact Us page of the site and currently, no contact form is here. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add a new plugin. Search for ThemeHunk form. Here it is, install and activate the plugin. The plugin has come to the installed plugins. After activation, you can see the ThemeHunk in the menu. Go to ThemeHunk and click on Lead Form Builder. This is our default contact form. All the fields are here that a website needs. We will create a new form, so click on Add New button. Assign the name of the form. To create a field, give it the name and select field type. You can give the default value of the field also. Check this to use the default value you have given to use as a placeholder and check this box to make the field required to submit the form. Likewise, create all the fields you need. After all, click on the Save Form. This is the email setting. This email notification will come to the admin after a user submits a contact form. This is for the users themselves for the confirmation of the submission of the form, although you can opt if you don't want to send the message to users. This is a CAPTCHA setting. You can use it to increase the security of your website from spam. From the setting, you can edit the lead receiving method, thank you message, and a redirect URL on which the users will be sent after submission of the form. You can upgrade the plugin from here. These are form settings. Here you get some fascinating features including the auto email responder, which sends an email to the user after submitting the form. The form redirection option helps to redirect the user after the submission of the form. There are 3 methods by which you can receive leads. You can write a thank you message to users after form submission. For spam protection and security, you can add the Google CAPTCHA to the form. When you upgrade the plugin to Pro, you make your further journey easy with its extraordinary add-ons. See a glimpse of what you get in the Pro version. Google integration helps you to add the one-tap Google Auto Sign-In. Color Customizer is here to enhance the appearance of the form. Additionally, you can enjoy the features of MailChimp as it is compatible with the plugin. SMTP configuration helps to make email sending and receiving effortless. You can export the leads to later use them in marketing. You can also import the form and use it on the other sites and import the form if you have one. To upgrade the plugin, go to the premium version. The Pro plugin is available for just $49. Click on Buy Now for further. Now open the form list. This is a shortcode. This is used to add the contact form, so copy it. Open the Contact Us page. Insert a shortcode block. Paste the shortcode we just copied. You insert the contact block without a shortcode. Open the block inserter and search Lead Form Builder. Drag the block and drop it on the page. If you have multiple forms, you can select from here. Now save the page. Let's see the preview. The contact form is here with all the fields. In the block theme, the process of adding the contact form is the same but can open the contact page from the edit page also. Do you know how to add the contact form with the Elementor page builder? Let's see. On the page you can see Edit with Elementor, click on it. Search for lead form. Here it is, drag the form block and paste it in the desired place. From the left section, you can switch the forms. After all, click on Publish. Let's see the preview. The contact form is here as we designed it. Now suppose I am a user and filling some query through this form. The message is submitted. Now come back to your dashboard. The lead is showing here. You can see the details here. You can switch between the contact forms and go through the leads. Leads can be seen from here also. You can create multiple forms and manage them from here. All the contact forms have separate sections and leads. So this is how you can add the contact form to your WordPress website. In this tutorial, I have used the Shop Mania theme. It is an e-commerce theme that comes with over 45 pre-made templates. Thanks for watching.